Hello and welcome to this new video in the SQL content. In this video, we continue further with the conditional execution. Over the last two videos, we have seen concept and examples of IIF and CASE. Let us go a little bit further and understand how can I add multiple conditions within the same. So what this means is we'll take the same table again, dim product, and this time we will take 4 columns: product key, product name, color, and list price. All right. So now what I want to do is within red, I want to place conditions. So first I'm going to do this by IIF function and then we'll do by case. So first IIF. So my first condition says that if the color is red, then return me RD. This is my one condition. Okay, else NA for right now. But in red also I want to categorize things. Earlier in the previous two videos we have just said when color is red then RD, when silver then SL. But now I also want to bring in prices over here. So in the sense that if I look at only red color products, for example, let's say from dim product. Okay. So if I'm looking at red color products over here, these have prices in different ranges and I want to categorize them. So here I want to say if the color is red and the price is greater than 3000, then categorize it as maybe this way: red 3k, red 2k, and likewise. So just thought of covering this example which will tell you how to add more than one conditions in case and IIF expressions or IIF function. So here now what you got to do is here you want to place one more condition. So you'll use the AND operator what we have seen earlier. You will say AND list price is greater than equal to 3000. So now the result of this will either be true and false, and the result of this will be either true or false. Why am I using and why not or is because I want to fulfill both the conditions. Only and only when both the conditions are true and will return you true. This is what we have seen in the where clause. So same goes over here. So if both matches, then this, okay, and likewise we can continue. So I'll copy this, paste it over here, and then again I'll say if this is greater than 2000, then return me RD 2k. Okay, and then keep on continuing further. Then we can say again that for the remainder ones, what I can do is I can just say if color is red, then I can say less than 2k. All right, and then continue further for other colors. I'll show you one example. If I can say we can split this so it can be more easy for you to understand. So I can copy this entire statement and put it here. So I can say now if the color is silver and the list price is greater than this, for example SL. All right, paste this. So quickly I'll change silver, and I can say SL, and then we can just call this as RD SL. So now else right now I don't care about the other things, so I'll say any. Now how many IIF functions we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you'll have to close those many brackets. All right, and now let's run. So now wherever it is below 2k or null, it will say less than 2k. This is fine. We'll also validate. This is still less than 2k. I see greater than 3000 is RD to 3k. Let us find, yes, greater than 2000 will be RD 2k. Okay, What about silver? Let's see, less than 2k. Okay, mostly they seem like less than 2k only, which you can tally. However, the main thing that I wanted to show you is how you can add more than one conditions also in IIF. Now the same thing quickly I would want to show you with case. So all you will have to do is comma this from dim product. Okay, now you will say when, now you have to test more than one column, and then what the other column also has this condition. So all you will say is, you can just copy this here and say, first you will say case, okay, when this and this, then return me this value. Simple. So this is just the change, and you paste as many number of times you want. All right, so these three will be silver, then I can make it 2000, and for this we can just say less than or just ignore it. Here we can say 2k and change this all to SL. 2k, all right, else NA. Right, let us see, did we miss anything over here? Okay, let us see where it is pointing towards the error. So this is our first condition, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is the else part. And we forgot, we should just say end and call this as category. Okay, so there we are. Quickly I would want to verify a couple of them. Okay, 3k, 2k, fine. All right, so this is how you can add more than one conditions with case as well as IIF function. That's it in this video. See you in the next one.